In this video, I'm gonna show you a Google folder with three extras with three subfolders. So in order to create a folder, you're gonna go here, and you can click on folder. Once you do that, once you click on folder, list the title. After that, anything that you want to put in the folder, you can just take it and you can drag it in there if you want it in there, and then if you hadn't already created your three subfolders, it would have popped up on the screen. And what you would have done, you would have took those. If you hadn't created your three subfolders, the items that you put in the folder already would have been on the screen. And what you would have done, without the three, you would have created your three subfolders, and you would have did the same, just drag them in there. In order to create a subfolder, you would go to new, and you click on folders again, and then it would allow you to create one. I'll do one just for demonstration, and it will pop up. But these content ideas and links are my are the three subfolders that I created. And then once you go into them, you can see you'll be able to see all of the content that you have in them. Go back to working in the ideas. Links. It allows you to see all your documents, how many documents you put in your folders, and that's it.